Welcome back, everybody. The Galactic Kitchen is here to impress as we are about to make you a nice little appetizer for you to take over to one of your best friend's house when they invite you over for ribs and burgers. That's right, Trez. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Anyways, we're about to make a great appetizer, chat. We're gonna do buffalo chicken dip in a way that you've never seen before, right? You're really gonna love it. Here we go. This is a couple things you're gonna need. I've already got my chicken shredded, cream cheese. You're gonna get some hot sauce. Now I choose Louisiana hot sauce. I like this because it works really well with my chili and stuff, but Louisiana hot sauce. You're gonna get some crescent rolls. 16's all you need. I went ahead and bought 3 because I may mess up. And then we got some cheese for you, baby. We got Italian 5 cheese, and we're gonna do mozzarella cheese as well. And I'm gonna put it all together for you, chat. Something very, very easy. Couple of steps to it, but it is gonna be so good. Now, granted, I want you to know I've never cooked this, so we're gonna do it together, baby. Let's go, fist pump! All right, Welcome back, guys. All right, now let's go ahead and figure out how to make this sauce, right? Well, we're gonna put the chicken and everything together. So, first thing you're gonna do is get your cream cheese, baby. And we're just gonna take it and place it right in the bowl. Bingo, bango. Now the next thing you're gonna do is take your hot sauce. Now it depends if you like it really hot or whatever you may do, but we're gonna go ahead and add our hot sauce to it. And that was just a little short amount of that, so I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. I like it spicy, you know I like it spicy, so we're gonna add some more to it. Boom, boom, boom. And then next you're gonna take your chicken, and you're just gonna pour all your chicken into this. And then take your cheese. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the mozzarella cheese in here. You can use whatever your favorite type of cheese is. And then we're just gonna pour it right in there like that. And then chat, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna stir it up, right? So we're gonna get this all nice and stirred up, mix it in really, really well. And then when we come back, we're gonna place it on the crescent rolls, and I'm gonna show you that next step. All right, be right back, chat. All right, chat, welcome back. I know you're thinking, what the heck is that? Listen, it's not an octopus. It's not calamari. You know what I'm talking about. This ain't Red Lobster, baby. This right here is about to be your appetizer. Now listen, you know I can't draw a straight line to save my life. So, this is a circle, chat, and I put a bowl in the middle of it so I can create that good circle. Now that's gonna be a key part here pretty soon, but right now let's remove it. You're gonna have your nice little circle here. Now as you can see, I took the crescent rolls and I placed them out one by one, leaving the straps kind of on the side. Now what we're gonna do, chat, since we made the buffalo chicken dip, we're gonna take that, and now we're just gonna kind of layer it all around the circle. And we're gonna place it right there, just all the way around. Now I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera, but what you're gonna do is just kind of thicken it up just like that you normally would. And then from there, you're gonna get the cheese, right? You're gonna take your cheese, and then you're gonna place it right there. Nice and good. Obviously, I like it cheesy. You know I'm pretty cheesy, chat. And then boom, and then after that, what you're going to do is you're gonna take your dough and just simply place it right over the top, chat, just like that. And then you're gonna do that all the way around. We're gonna put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 35 minutes, and then bingo bango, you have got your dessert that everybody cannot wait to try at the party. I said dessert, appetizer, chat. You got your appetizer ready. Chat, I'm just ready to party. Can't you tell? I'm just ready to party. When we come back, we're gonna take a look at what this looks like, and then we're gonna take it to the party. That's right, we're going partying, and you're gonna get to see our hosts, and then we're gonna let them taste it and tell us what they think. Chat, I'll be right back. Get ready for a party. Welcome back, chat. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to have the girls try this, and me and Sunshine, we're having to resist temptation right now not to cut this bad boy open and eat. Chat, it turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. As you can see, we still have the centerpiece open where we're gonna add like a bowl for ranch, and then, or whatever dipping you like. I'm gonna put ranch down in there. Next, we're gonna go present it to the girls. We're gonna cut into this, and we're gonna see what they think of the new Myboy appetizer. Let's go check it out, chat. Party time! Welcome back, guys. We're here at the party, baby. And as you can see, we got the lovely ladies right here. Trez and Lola. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
So here we have it, chat. We've got our Buffalo Chicken Croissant ready to have for our appetizer. Ready? Right? All right, ladies. The moment of truth, right? I've been super excited about this. If you don't like it, blame sunshine. Here we go. Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
That's good.
Like
It's
it?
buffalo, yeah.
It's buffalo, baby. It is buffalo. Chat, yet again, it's on my lip. Yet again, the Galactic Kitchen, baby, never disappoints. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you guys. Let's party, ladies. Where's the drinks, right? Where's the drink?
Behind you.
We'll see ya.